Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick how-to video on how to check and maintain spokes on a dirt bike or a mountain bike without any special tools. We'll also show you how to prevent spokes from getting seized. This is a nice sit-down job, so put the bike up on a stand, get a little stool out, and you can just go to work. A product I'll introduce you to if you haven't heard of it before is this product called Spokesset. It simply comes in a little bottle like this. And I'll show you later in the video how that works. If your spokes are new, it's pretty easy. Well, you can skip the first part of this video. If you're dealing with an older bike where you might have some spokes that are seized, it's best to go and check for those first. If you have spokes that are seized, give them a shot of penetrating oil first and allow them to set for a day or two. Or you can quickly heat the nipple up with a propane torch and then give a shot of penetrant or WD-40 or something like that onto where the spoke and the nipple right here. Using heat will help draw the penetrant into the threads, and it will also help break free any threads that are seized. Yeah, once you're ready, you can use a small adjustable like this. This one's only 6 inches long. It's nice and easy to use, and you don't need a very big wrench for this. You can also, if you do have one, use a spoke wrench or a spoke torque wrench. So what I do is I start with the air valve right here. All you want to do is you want to do every third spoke, and then what I do is I simply tap the spokes. Now a tight spoke will make a nice ring noise, but a loose spoke won't. So if you tap this, you can hear that it's nice sharp noise, but that one's not. That one's loose. You start at the air valve right here and you check the first spoke, and you don't need to use a lot of torque. You just use the small wrench like this. Just make sure it's tight on the spoke nipple. Just hold the wrench near the neck and just, get it till it's snug. You only need about 3 to 5 foot-pounds of torque, so not a whole lot. And then just simply count 1, 2, 3. So basically every third spoke is what you want to do. Check that one. Same thing, not a lot of torque. And then move the wheel, 1, 2, 3. And generally it works out that you have to switch sides on each spoke. Just like that. And again, then go 1, 2, 3. Just like that. If you're not sure how tight they are, you just give them a little tap. They should have a nice little cling when you're done. And you just work your way all the way around the rim till you get back to the start. Start on the second one. So then you go play like that. Then go 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. That, and so on. And again, work your way all the way around back to the start, and now you're on the third spoke. And just, you can give them a tap when you're done to make sure that they're snug. That's going the wrong way there. Just like that. Once you've done the whole wheel, you just want to check for run out, and that's very easy to do by just simply spinning the wheel and holding like a pan or something off the swing arm with the tip of the pan close to the outer rim of the wheel. And you can quickly see if it's have any serious run out actually or concentrically, or from side to side or around and around. When you start, it can make sense to check the rim to see if it's close. On a dirt bike, it's not so critical. It can be out a little bit, 1/8 of an inch or 3/16 of an inch from side to side or up and down a little bit. It's not such a big deal. On a street bike, it probably is a little more critical, especially if you're doing highway speeds. So you want the rim to be as close to true as you can get it. If your rim is already close to true or as close as you need it to be, this is a great method to check all your spokes and keep everything in true while you're checking them. Once you're done checking them all, it's a good idea to maybe go around and just tap each one. And if you get a nice high-pitched ring, then you know that they're all tight. If there's one that's still loose, just give it a little snug again. Once you're done, then go around with this product I mentioned earlier called Spokesset and just apply a drop to each nipple where the threads go in. And you just start off on the bottom and just keep working your way from spoke to spoke all the way around. And this product will wick its way into the threads. And as you can see in the video here, it just drops right in and soaks right into the threads. Once this product's been installed, after a few hours or a day or so, it sets up to form a waxy-like material and prevents water or any moisture from ever getting in there. It really helps your spokes from getting seized. You only have to apply it every 2 or 3 years or so. During that time, you will not get any seized spokes. If you're riding in a lot of wet conditions a lot of the time, then maybe apply it more often, maybe every 2 years or every year or so. But a little bottle like this lasts a long time. Like literally you get years out of a bottle like this. Now if you're doing multiple bikes, obviously you're going to go through it faster. Just check your spokes 1 to 2 times per season. More often if you're doing a lot of hard MX and a lot of big jumps and stuff, because those can be harder on your wheels. You can often do just a quick check on, like if you're at a track or at an event and you're not sure, you can just run around and just do a quick check like this, just like that. And if you find one that's going to be a dull thud, you just quickly snug it up and that'll get you through the day. And you can go be a little more thorough when you get back home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep coming back because there's more to come.